Hey everyone, welcome to Teo's Take. Today we'll be making a quick unboxing. I just received this Godox Cube SC microphone system today. I just wanted to open the box and share with you what is this all about. Alright, let's go ahead and open the package, see what's in it. Alright, in the package, you get a QR code on it, most likely product manual, and a Godox microphone, comes in a hard case, and little stickers comes with it, cute. Looks like an instruction manual and a quick start guide for the app install and things like that. Alright, let's put this aside. Let's go ahead and open this one. Comes in a nice hard case. I don't think it's waterproof, but it seems water resistant, so protect everything. And here's a SIM card ejection tool. Alright, let's see what's in here. There's some lanyards. They appear to be magnetic. Two of them, one per microphone. A USB-A to Type-C charging cable. Very cool. A couple of dead cats. And here's the magnetic clips. You can either attach this under the shirt, I think, or you can just use it as a clip and magnetically attach the... God, I can't get this out of here. Alright. Let's leave that in there. Alright, and then here's the microphone. And very cool. This is a charging cradle. It also keeps your microphones charged, and here's the Type-C port, and there are 4 charging status LED indicators, and you press it once, it snaps up and shows you how much charge in there. Very cool presentation, you guys. And this is the Cube SC Type-C kit, so it only comes with the, it's for devices with the Type-C port, like the newer iPhones, Android phones, I think all of them right now with the Type-C port. And here's the magnetized back microphones. And this is how it attaches. You turn on and off the microphone here. Same goes as this little receiver. And here's the other microphone. Looks like it's, as soon as you remove it, it starts. Let's see if I can turn it off. Oh yeah, I can turn it off. And I'm trying to get this thing out, but it's not cooperating, you guys. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave that over there. Here's some charging ports. Basically, these go in like this to start charging, as you see. And then boom, you close it. Alright, well, this is the Godox SC Type-C kit, and I think it's a wonderful microphone. I brought in my older LG V20 phone to show you guys. Basically, this goes in the bottom of the phone, like so, and you connect this. According to information on the website, these things can be used up to 300 feet, which is amazing. Very nice. And as we all know, Godox is a quality brand and excellent. There are two indicators on the receiver for the TX1, TX2 for both microphones, and there's a little switch there. Very well made, easy to use, easy to store, easy to charge. There's even a little loop over here to put kind of like a wrist attachment to it. Unfortunately, they did not include any. However, this case has one like this. Alright, this has been a Godox SC2 Type-C kit, and if you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to drop a comment. Also, let me know what kind of microphones you use when you record things with your phones or with your cameras. I'd like to hear your input on this kind of stuff. Which brand do you prefer? And I'm gonna go ahead and include a link at the bottom of the description, so you guys go ahead and check this out. If you want to pick one of these up, you're more than welcome to use that link. It's a very useful, reliable brand, a useful device, and if you're a content creator with your phone, or if your camera accepts Type-C, or if you like to use it with your computer for your Zoom calls and video presentations, even for podcasts, I think, if you're a starter, this is a great kit to have. And again, thanks for watching Teo's Take. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Have a great day.